Hello all and welcome to Thriverize Solutions. In today's session, we'll be seeing the topic how to protect your applications against threats. So as we know, all reputable applications and software developers aim to build robust and hardened products that deliver the functionality we need and the security to keep cyber criminals at bay. So, what is a hardened application? A hardened application is one where the developer has tested it against all the latest cyber attacks before making it available to download. Software developers will offer patches and upgrades to ensure that your user experience is the best and safetiest where it can be. Cyber criminals are unrelenting in their desire to obtain your data and will look to exploit any weakness or vulnerability. There are few things that you can do either as an individual or an enterprise organization to protect the apps that you use. Let's see what is patching promptly. Operating system and most mainstream applications where we do the patchworks. Example, we have the word processor and music apps. They issue updates or patches. Some of these offer improvements in the functionality, but the majority will be to patch a known security weakness or vulnerability in the software or to improve the application security. Cyber criminals and hackers will focus on this application looking for exploitable vulnerabilities. When one is identified, they will move quickly to write malicious code. If successful, this malware can take control of the application or intercept data being accessed by it until the next patch is released and the cycle starts over again. As part of a robust security process or policy, you should ensure all applications used on your device have the latest patches or updates. Next, see how an application configuration is done. So, most applications are developed with a balance of security and usability in mind. All applications come with a default configuration designed for optimal usage and to allow as much access as possible. Example, some might have a default user account, which will be an admin account with a standard default password. Cyber criminals are quick to identify these vulnerabilities and exploit them by using default setting to access your applications. So it's vitally important that you check your application configuration settings and where possible, change the password on default accounts and settings. This small step can often put an attacker and improve the confidentiality of your data and the integrity of your application. And let's see how the privacy settings are done. So every activity that you carry out from an instant message application or just using your browser is tracked and recorded. The majority of data collected is used by advertiser to offer targeted content based on the things you're looking at or doing. All applications give you a degree of control over what data is collected by providing privacy setting. This vary with each application. Example, a map application may have privacy setting that prevent it from recording the routes you have been used. Example, the another example, a shopping application can be told not to remember the items that you were browsing. Let's see how the cookies work. So browser use cookies to hold details about what you were doing on a specific website, from the last thing you searched for and the password and other personal data. Some measures have been introduced to try to limit the amount of data that's retained in cookies and on the website. A cyber criminal could exploit your browser and access these cookies to gain information and data. Example, every browser offers the availability to clean up unused cookies or to remove all of them from your browser. The good practice is to provide periodically do a clean of cookies. There is another way to manage your cookies by using the private browsing window in your browser. You may have seen them as Ignite or privacy windows. This offers a higher level of security to let you browse with more confidence. When you close the browser window, all cookies and any history are automatically deleted. Let's see how an application has been verified. The internet has made the world a smaller place, and you can now obtain application from the comfort of your chosen device without leaving home. There is a huge choice of online shops offering the best opportunity for you to find the app you're looking for. But for every genuine shop selling an app, there is likely to be another offering a cheaper version which might contain some unwanted additions. A cyber criminal might copy the latest or best selling app and hack it to include malware. Then they can make it available through a store selling it cheaper than anywhere else. We all are like a bargain, especially if it means getting the latest app at a fraction of the price. The compromised app might behave exactly as genuine one, but underneath the hood, the cyber criminal can search your device for personal or sensitive data. This can then be extracted and used for their own purpose. So the best practice is you should always download your apps from verified and trusted source. Thank you all.